Take Nikki. Nothing!
Come here.
Maui! I'm not quite sure why I'm here or what I'm doing, but there's a reason.
You want food?
Oh my gosh. You okay?
You want a treat?
My dog go full diva.
Hey, back up, Curtis, man. Yeah, let that pap sit in your soul for a while.
Oh, Lord, he's getting ready to go again. Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
The report calls for urgent preparations to reduce risks and supplies.
Are you sitting on the table watching outside? That is hilarious.
Look what this prick has just done. Bruno, what the
Hello?
Mink, mink, mink.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
competitors, specifically Digital Guardian.
What kind of dog is that?
You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to. I cannot. No, you cannot.
All three cats in the bathroom. Got one that drinks out of the shower, one that drinks out of the toilet, and then there's this one that drinks out of the sink. Hey, sit. Paw. Paw. No.